How to use Google Lens on iPhone. If you want to snap a photo and instantly search what it is, Google Lens makes it simple. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the search icon at the bottom right and type Google in the search bar. You can download either the Google app or Google Chrome since Google Lens works in both. Once installed, open the app. At the top, you'll see a search bar with a camera icon next to it. Tap on the camera icon to launch Google Lens. Grant camera access by tapping Continue. Now you can either take a live photo or choose one from your gallery. If you take a picture, Lens will instantly search and identify the object. If you tap the gallery icon at the bottom left, you can pick an existing photo from your library. From there, drag your finger over the photo to adjust what lens should focus on. You can zoom in on a specific detail, and it will identify that part only. And that's how you can use Google Lens on your iPhone to quickly find out what something is.